Okay, I'm just going to do a video showing some of the modeling methods that I use within Keycreator. This model here is a model that came from a customer, and it was created in Solid Edge, which is a parasolid modeler, but it was exported and sent to me via IGES. Now, if you're going to pick a file format to transfer data in, the worst one you could pick is in fact IGES. So we need to have a bit of a look at this to see if it's actually okay. It looks like a solid, but it actually isn't. If I just do a quick delete and hover over it, see how it says it's a sheet body, so it's an open surface model. It isn't a solid model, so we're on we've got a bit of a problem already, really. So let's maybe make it a different colour, red perhaps. I just can't see that, can you? Red. Click, go. Oh no, wait a minute, we'll do it a different way because it's only just on the curves, isn't it? Edit, entities, set material rendering is the way I do it. All displayed, accept. Right, and we'll make it red. Okay, there you go. Right, that's a bit better. Hopefully, perhaps see that a bit better. I'll split this into several videos because it might take a while. So after about 5 minutes, I'll just stop the video and then do another one. I might even pause the video as well as we go because I might need to have a bit of a think because I'm doing this kind of live. So first thing to do, let's look at the level list. Let's look at this layer here and we'll call it work. I've already got one called work. Well, work 2 or something. Okay, and we'll make that the active layer. So what I'm going to now do is verify this body and see if we can see where the problems are. So we're going to tools, verify, and there is a body option, and you can do various checks. We'll say check them all. We'll just pick the solid, and it has a bit of a think and it's checking it, and you're hoping that it's going to say solid checked without errors, but it hasn't. It's saying solid checked with errors, and a bit further down it's saying this is an open sheet body, which is what I'd already found out, and then it says show free edges here. That's a useful command. So if I click that, it actually shows the problem entities, and you can probably see it's all the way around the edge, but there's a little bit in there near that letter, that number 5. It says select accept to model wireframe. So if I say accept, and I'll just cancel out the command, basically it throws geometry onto that layer we just created. So if I turn off the solid part, well, not the sheet body part, okay, you can see that's the geometry it's just created. So you can see there's a bit of an issue with this all the way around, which okay, I'm sure we can sort out, but there's something funny going on around that number 5 there. Doesn't like that, does it? Something not right with that. So we'll zoom in, turn back on the part, and let's have a look. So let's just have a look at that. Now I don't know how well you can see this, but that looks a real nasty mess basically. There's obviously surfaces that don't overlap properly. Look, there's a little slivery bit here. I don't know how well the edges are showing up, but it's not good. It's not good. If I turn off the rendering, there you go, that's probably better. Look at that. There's some horrible triangular slivery thing, and this fillet here is a real mess. You know, the whole thing's just not, it's not stitched properly, has it? So we'll see how we can actually sort this out and hopefully get this into being a solid model.